although a tariff exemption for semiconductors, smartphones, laptops, and related electronics by U.S. Customs and Border Protection was announced. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick warned that this exemption is temporary, with new tariffs targeting the same electronics expected in the future. Despite these uncertainties, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang remains optimistic about the company's ability to handle any disruptions through plans for increased domestic production and downplayed recession risks, suggesting the company's resilience in any economic climate. Further optimism for Nvidia comes from its announcement it will manufacture its AI supercomputers in the U.S. for the first time. It has commissioned over 1 million square feet of manufacturing space for AI chips in Arizona, with plans to build and test AI supercomputers at a facility in Texas. This investment is expected to produce up to $500 billion of AI infrastructure over the next 4 years. Jensen Huang said that having U.S.-based manufacturing would help the company meet growing demand for AI chips and supercomputers while strengthening its supply chain. The Texas-based supercomputer manufacturing plants, built in partnership with Foxconn and Wistron, are expected to begin production within 12 to 15 months. Blackwell chips have already started production at Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company's Arizona factories. For more on Nvidia and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.